Desert Sandstorm. Listen as the wind howls, blowing fiercely through the dry desert land. A cloud of dust rolls in, raging across the plains and sky. The desert leaves a magical charm. Grains of sand cut like a knife into the trees, shrubs, and anything in its path. The sound of the wind can be heard from a distance. No living creatures are seen. They are in hiding until the wind calms down. Half buried stones are revealed as the strong winds rearrange past formations. Like a sandstorm trapped in an hourglass, the hurling dust gives the vision of endless fury. Slowly, the sultry, humid day with the cloudless blue sky becomes still. Silence creeps in as the land lies dormant again, but nothing is the same.